All right, drill students, let's get right into it. We're going to work on building a solid foundation today. This is where discipline meets precision, and where individual effort blends into team excellence. Today we're leveling up your basic facing movements, but with a twist. We're not just going through the motions, we're focusing on the details that transform simple actions into a display of skill and unity. I'm talking sharp, synchronized, and on beat. Every movement should be a reflection of your focus and commitment. We want to see that dedication in every step, every turn, every snap. So stand tall, get focused, and let's begin. Prepare to challenge yourselves, to push beyond your comfort zones, and to achieve a level of precision you might not have thought possible. Background music starts pulsing at about 116 beats per minute. A steady rhythm to guide your movements and keep you energized. Just enough to get your energy up and your feet moving. Let the beat drive you, but don't let it rush you. Maintain control and precision, even as the tempo increases. Listen up. Pay close attention to the commands and execute them with precision and speed. Instructor voice, stand at attention. This is where it all begins. Snap to it. Heels together, chest up, eyes forward. This isn't just a position, it's a statement. It's a declaration of readiness and discipline. This is your foundation. You own the space. Project confidence and control. Let your posture reflect your inner strength and determination. Here's where it gets real. We're moving beyond the basics and into the heart of drill precision. Left, face. Execute the turn with speed and accuracy. That's a crisp 90-degree pivot on your left heel. Feel that balance, maintain that posture. Right foot snapping to join. The sound should be sharp and distinct, a testament to your precision. Right, face. Another 90-degree turn, this time to the right. Now pivot right, heel, toe, close. Feel the connection to the ground, the power in your movement. Feel the rhythm, feel the snap. Let the music guide you, but let your discipline define you. About face, a complete reversal, a test of balance and coordination. Swing around 180 degrees, maintain your composure, keep your eyes focused. Pivot on that heel, dig in with that toe. Feel the ground beneath you, the stability in your stance. Shoulder blades tight, head high. Maintain that posture even as you move. It's a sign of discipline and respect, and we keep it rolling. Repetition is key to mastering these movements. Left, face, right, face, about, face, over and over. I want to see and hear that synchronization. Every movement should be in perfect harmony with your fellow soldiers. You should move as one, a unified force, a symbol of teamwork and discipline. Now here's the challenge. We're going to push your limits and test your adaptability. I'm adjusting the tempo. A little faster, a little slower, you need to adapt to the changing pace. Anywhere from 111 to 121 BPM. Stay focused, stay sharp, and maintain your precision no matter the speed. Stay sharp, react quick. Anticipate the commands and execute them flawlessly. Drill isn't just about memorizing moves, it's about internalizing the principles of discipline and precision. It's about building discipline, about developing the mental fortitude to execute commands under pressure. Precision, about striving for perfection in every movement, every turn, every snap, and teamwork. About understanding that your individual actions contribute to the success of the entire team. Every snap, every pivot, every pause, it all matters. Pay attention to the details because they are what separate good drill from exceptional drill. When you nail these basics, when you master these fundamental movements, you're not just impressing instructors, you're demonstrating your commitment to excellence. You're proving to yourself how precise you can be. You're building confidence and self-assurance. If you want to master drill, it's all about repetition. Practice makes perfect, and perfect practice makes mastery. Run this sequence again and again, drill these movements into your muscle memory, until your movements are automatic, sharp, confident, and always on beat. Make it second nature. Remember, safety first. Always be aware of your surroundings and the people around you. If you're practicing at home or with your squad, ensure you have adequate space and a safe environment. Keep enough space to avoid bumping into each other. Safety is paramount, so prioritize it in every practice session. Push yourself with the tempo, challenge your limits, and strive for continuous improvement. Too easy? Speed it up. Increase the tempo and test your ability to maintain precision at a faster pace. Want more control? Slow it down and perfect each movement. Focus on the details and refine your technique. And hey, if you found this drill helpful, if you've learned something new and improved your skills, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, show your support, and help us reach more people. And leave your progress in the comments below. Share your experiences and inspire others to improve. Share this with your drill team and work together to achieve new levels of precision and synchronization, and challenge each other to get sharper every day. Foster a spirit of healthy competition and continuous improvement. Alright, attention to detail, pride in performance, these are the hallmarks of a true professional, and always pushing for better. That's how you stand out. Strive for excellence in everything you do. Now get out there and show me what you've got. Put your skills to the test and demonstrate your commitment to excellence.